Hello developers, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful restaurant food cart in Tailwind CSS. In this channel you can find everything about React and Tailwind CSS. Okay, let's jump to the video. I have already set up a Tailwind project. If you don't know how to install and set up Tailwind CSS, I have already a video about it. The link is in the description below. Let's start. In here I have my VS Code. Also in here you can preview it, the live code. Add some classes in the body, flex, item center, justify center to make everything center. Now I'm going to add a div. Inside this div I'm going to add some classes. It will be 300 ET, BG will be blue 100 and rounded. So I'm going to add some height, will be as you can see guys, it's working. This is the parent div. Now I'm going to add inside a div, add inside this div another div, add some class. I'm going to make it 200 pixel because I want to add my image inside this div. PG will be cover, center. Now inside this style I'm going to copy and paste some image link. Copy image link from free pick. Save it. As you can see guys, this is our picture. See guys, it's overflowing inside this parent div. Overflow hidden. Save. Now it's rounded. So I'm going to add some comments to know better. Background div. After this background div, if you see the final one, we have this text. So I'm going to add that text. A div. And add some comments, buttons, and texts. In here, I want to add paragraph. Shrimp sauce. So I want to add some classes to this paragraph. Text will be pixel, leading will be 7, margin bottom will be 1, and font will be bold. Also I want to add some text, gray 700. If you save it, our title is added. I'm going to add some padding. Padding will be 4. I'm going to add a div. It will be pricing div. Last price was $10. New price will be $5. If you save, make this flex, and I'm going to add some class inside here. Margin right will be 2. Text will be LG, and text neutral 600. Font will be bold, and it's line true. Save this. See guys, it takes our style. Now I'm gonna copy this style and paste it in the next paragraph. Just I'm going to change this being 600. It's not line through. Yeah, takes our style also. Okay guys, now after this pricing div, I'm going to add a paragraph, and with this paragraph I'm going to add some classes. Text will be LG. The color of the text will be neutral 600, and margin top will be 6. Save. Yes, it takes our style. The next thing that I want to add is the buttons. I'm commenting this for you guys to know it better. Some classes. The link text will be order now. Let's add some classes. px will be 4, py will be 3, bg will be till 800, rounded will be excel, margin top will be 10. Let's save. Make it block. Save. Text will be white. Text of the text will be center. Save. Hover. And the hover bg will be till 900. Yes. Let's add some transition. Transition color. Duration of the transition will be 300. Save. Let's see. Yes, it takes the transition. Okay guys, now I'm copying this and paste it here. At first I'm going to change the text. It will be download app. Make some changes. Margin top will be 3. The background color is white at first. Where is, yeah, it's here. Background will be white. When you hover it, it will be gray. And the text will be till 900. Let's delete this text white. Control S. If you see guys, at first it's white, and when we hover it, it takes the gray color. Now it's time to delete this background from our component. Where it was here, yeah. Save. Yes guys, now if you see at the final one, it has a shadow. Let's add some shadows. In the parent div, shadow to Excel. Yeah, it takes our shadow. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.